Welcome to another how-to video. How to change the channel name in Slack. Hey everyone, today our topic is all about how you can change the channel name on Slack. Now, while you are on a Slack site, let's right-click any channel you want to change the name of. Like mine was Clothes. Then click View Channel Details. As you can see, you are in a Clothes channel. So all you have to do is click Edit in the Channel Name tab. Like mine is Maria Clothes. After changing your channel name, click Save Changes, and that's it. That's how easy you can change the channel name in Slack. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.